Maybe one of you can help me understand how this keyboard kit is only $100. This is the ND75 by Chilkey, and that's right, it comes with the keycaps, the switches, and the stabilizers ready to use right out the box, all for $100. You have 3 different mounting methods, a case that doesn't need any screws because of the ball catch mechanism, all the foams you need, and this really cool screen that gives you some great information, and you can put a cute little animation on it. Oh, and it sounds great too. Chill! Subscribe to the channel.